You've probably heard of using geographics and demographics when it comes to identifying your target audience. But have you heard of using psychographics? Well, if you haven't, you will today. Welcome to another edition of Marketing Tip Monday. Demographics are what identify who your audience is: household income, age, marital status. While psychographics try to identify how your audience thinks by looking at information like lifestyle choices, concerns, hobbies, emotions like excitement or humor. You can only effectively reach your audience by understanding both their demographics and their psychographics. It's the combination of both that forms that ideal client persona that we love to talk about in other episodes. Now that we know what psychographics are, let's go over two methods that we can use to obtain them. First, you can start by interviewing existing clients. Right now, think of your 3 best clients. Now, the next time you see those 3 clients, make an effort to learn more about them. You can even be straightforward with them and tell them what you're doing. Let them know that you really enjoy working with them and that you'd like to get to know them. That way you can better identify more prospective clients who are like them. Or if you don't have a close enough relationship with your best clients, or maybe you don't feel comfortable interviewing clients, think of a similar friend that you may have and interview them. Regardless, just make sure you're asking the right questions. Ask them what they do for fun or what motivates them. Have they seen any good movies lately? Or maybe they're more of a TV person. The more you find out, the stronger your connections will be. The second approach you can take in gathering psychographics is more of a behind-the-scenes method. This is where we'll ask you to review your website and social analytics. What has moved your clients to click or contact you in the past? People's true motivations shine through the actions that they take. What they identify with and what they actually do may not be the same. Someone may not identify as a Nickelback fan, but those posts they're liking say otherwise. Once you've asked the right questions and reviewed the right data, you'll be able to identify what's important to your audience, making it easier to find them and to motivate them. This will also help you in providing what they want and offering services that will move them to take action. And one last tip before we go: as you're doing your research, make sure that you're recording your results. That way you can accurately identify commonalities and we can apply them toward future marketing. We could go a lot deeper into psychographics, but that's all we have for today. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you tune in next week for another edition of Marketing Tip Monday.